What's going on, my friends? We're gonna see if we can't train us some chickens today. But before I start bribing them with snacks, let's go ahead and see what happens if we just try to call them right now.
Look, look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
They definitely do not give two craps about me right now.
Get out of my face!
We see our head perk up. So like right now, I don't want to use any treats. I just want to see if they will connect my voice with anything good. And if they don't, which obviously they don't seem to care, that's fine. Totally fine. Because that's the whole point of today's video. Can we train chickens? So we're going to step inside the run. See if we can't get a little better. I mean, I was outside, so, you know, maybe, but we'll just crouch down, and I'm just going to use her command. Might have to put the dog inside. It might be too much of a distraction, but we'll see. Chick, chick. Chick, 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 chick. Yeah, they don't give two craps right now. Either because of the dog or we ain't never done this before. Round one, complete fail. Let's bring out some treats. See how they do with that. All right, so I got a few treats here, and we're gonna keep it really simple. We're gonna use tomatoes. If you guys saw our last video, not our last video, but the video before that, where we did like a ranking, our chickens ranked food, and tomatoes actually won that in the video. So now we know that they love tomatoes over pretty much everything else. So we're gonna use tomatoes. I think that'll be a good choice, a good treat. The plan is, just like we did, we're gonna make the same sound every single time. Just like you're training your dog, you know, you have a certain command or a sound or something for an action that you want them to do, right? In our case, we're trying to train the chickens to come to us. So if we ever get to the point where we free range one day, we can just make that sound and it'll come back to us into the coop at night, right? That's pretty much the goal, is training our chickens so if they're out and about, we want to bring them in at night. We don't have to go around wrestling around trying chasing. We just do our command, chickens come running, give them a little treat, they go in the coop, right? And we're going to throw it away from us at first. We're just going to toss it on the ground, right? We're not going to do anything special. We're command, chick, 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 throw the treat. The goal right now is to get them to associate sound with something good. In this case, a nice tasty treat. Now, this ain't some fancy chicken training, right? This is basically what I'm doing is letting these chickens know that I'm about to be the snack guy. So whenever they see me, they associate snacks. That's essentially what we're doing. We're pretty much bribing them. We're not really training them per se. We got a piece of tomato, chick, 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 and we throw it. They go right to it. So that's the whole goal right now, is just associate sound with something good. Chick, 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 chick. We're gonna do a couple reps of this, and then, you know, probably after about a minute or so, we'll start dropping the treat closer to us. Chick, 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 chick. I highly doubt we're gonna win just in one day. This is probably gonna take a couple of days to almost a week. But we're just, right now, the whole goal is just seeing if these chickens can even do it. So here, we'll try again. Chick, 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 chick. They hear the sound, they see the food. Eventually, it should become sound, food, sound, food. They hear the sound, they know they're getting food. We're gonna do one more at a distance, and then we're gonna start dropping it a little bit closer to us. Chick, 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 chick. I'll be honest with you, I don't know if this is training or just simple negotiation.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Probably less chicken training and more chicken extortion, that I would say. All right, now we're gonna start dropping it a little bit closer to us now. Chick, 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 chick. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, at the end of the day, really what we're trying to do, more so than training, we're trying to get these chickens to trust us, right? Trying to chick, 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 chick. Well, they definitely don't love me yet. They do love the snacks. But I'm holding the snacks, so maybe we're making a little bit of progress. Chick, 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 chick. Hey, that was something. That was something, right? pecked it out of my hand a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more real quick. Tick, 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 tick. But now that they know snacks are involved, let's try to make this a little bit harder. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do our sound, tick, 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 but we're gonna keep the treats in our hand. If anything, we'll drop it right next to us right here on the dirt. But we're gonna try. Got a couple in my hand right here. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, we got a brave one. Oh, oh. Yo, I might need gloves for this. Don't peck my hand out. Tick, 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 tick. That's progress. That's progress. Still a little hesitant. He doesn't fully trust me yet. That's okay. He doesn't have to fully trust me yet. We just want them to understand, yo, snack guy, he gives us food, he okay. Tick, 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 tick. So she's coming up. Let's see if we can get the other one. See her back there? Tick, 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 tick. Oh, now we got both. Ah, oh my God. Watch your beaks. I mean, not too bad. They're coming up to me. They're coming up to me. But I got snacks. But that's the point. To, again, associate them. Hey, this is snack guy. When he says that little tick, 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 we're about to get something nice and tasty. So maybe we should go up to him.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
And I think it's working. I will say this is the closest that they have gotten to me since I've got them. This is the closest that they have willingly got to me since I've had them. And I've probably had them for probably going on a month now. Hey, you're in my shot. You're in my shot.
What the f are you looking at?
You think the people want to see you?
How you doing?
Yeah, that's probably true. They probably want to see you. Yeah. How's it going? I know. You peck me in the face and we're going to have problems.
You ain't gonna do shit.
You peck me in the face and we're going to have problems. I will lay you out.
Come at me, bro.
Gotta let him know who's boss, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let him know who's boss. He's trying to come up cock to me. Trying to cock to me.
I didn't mean no harm.
Gotta show him who's boss. So now, I think what I want to do is I want to try going back outside the run again and try calling them. I'm gonna have the door open just a smidge, enough to be able to toss a treat in there if I need to. But we're gonna get out of the run. We're gonna let them settle for a minute, and then we're gonna try calling them again and see if we made and see if we truly made any progress. Tick, 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 tick. I'm gonna open the door a little bit here. I don't want them to get out. Tick, 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 tick. If they come up to us, we throw a treat. Tick, 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 tick.
What are you doing?
Like, I'm not expecting dog level obedience here. I guess I'm expecting, do they understand? And I think they're slowly understanding. This is definitely going to be a, couple days to about a week kind of thing. But I think we made a lot of good progress today. I think that our trust is building. Tick, 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 tick.
Dude, this game sucks.
Okay, maybe not as much as I thought. Tick, 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 tick.
Are you stupid or something?
So I'm gonna say overall, we made some progress. Is it 100% concrete? Nah. But I think our trust is getting better. I think they're getting more comfortable. And all in all, I think I'll say today was a success in the goal of building trust. This might seem like a small thing, but after what happened with our old flock, I really want this group to be way calmer. I don't just want chickens that live here. I want them to feel safe here. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and stick around. Because we're just a family out here trying to build a more self-sustainable lifestyle, one step at a time. I'll see y'all in the next adventure. Peace.